Okay, so we're gonna do what we can. Vamos a hacer lo que podamos. Yeah, let's start by the star of the show. This one. Look at this. This is probably a month in water. So, how we're gonna do this, because there's another leaf coming out right there. Hay una hoja que está saliendo. We're just gonna have this like that. We do have some LECA, but we're gonna use lava rock that I bought specifically to try. The size is bigger than what I thought. El tamaño es más grande de lo que pensé, but there's all sizes. Hay de todos los tamaños. See, so in this case, the smaller size would be way better. But I don't have a smaller size, so we just have to use what we have. And like I said, this is also to just make the plant stronger, and then we're probably gonna change it to a more decent situation or container or whatever. It's gonna be like this. For the first time you fill it with water, la primera vez que la llenas con agua o con nutrientes, and with the nutrient solution, you want the water to be to the top. By the way, this nutrient solution is, so I'm in New Brunswick, and they sell these marine, like from the ocean, nutrient solutions, or liquid nutrients made of shellfish and all of those creatures from the sea. And it has a not very nice smell, and it also has this color, like it's darker, so your water will look darker. There we go. So it's very probable that it grow algae, but algae is okay. You don't need to freak out with it. A lot of people freak out with algae, but so there's one plant. And for the next time you water, you want to leave room between the net and the liquid. Like not much, like 2-3 fingers, whatever, because para que tus raíces tengan oxígeno tienes que dejar un espacio. And that's it. We're going to continue with these Tradescantias. Vamos a seguir con estas Tradescantias. Tradescantia bubblegum. I'm going to use this pickle jar. These cuttings were made probably like a month ago, and they were all the time in this, in LECA. So I'm just going to put them that same way in here, because why not? Y estos estaban solamente en agua. See, there's a leaf coming down there. But anyway, I feel like the leaves will still find their way no matter what. So see, in this case it's easier because the LECA is smaller, right? Why do you use this? Because of porosity, because of oxygen, because of how they absorb nutrients. The water, absorb humidity and all that. And when you don't have soil, you don't have pests, you don't have fungus, because this is inorganic. This there's no nutrients at all in the LECA or in the lava rock. La piedra, esta LECA, que es arcilla, basically is clay. See how roots can come out through the net. So that's why at first you want part of the net touching the water. Al comienzo tú quieres que un poco de la red toque el agua, but after you don't want that. But yeah, that's why you use LECA and that in hydroponics to give it stability to the plant, support, and because it's cleaner. See how there was some algae here already because of the water and the light, but that's okay. So I'm gonna do one with this. It's gonna poke some holes in the bottom. What's on the hole you? Oops. Yeah, maybe just. Let's see. Some of this, right? I have a lot of this. Feels like this grows perfectly in water, huh? Esto crece bien en agua. This is Monstera and Ansoni. So I'm gonna have 3 of these together, something like that. Again, this is just to grow more wood. De nuevo estoy haciendo esto solamente para que crecer más raíces. No, I don't think the plant can live like this. There we go. I have a lot of these Monsteras and Sunny, so maybe we can use this one also. Is this good enough? Yeah, this is perfect, so I can actually, yeah, I can see with this how long it takes. Like I can see the minimum size of jar that I can use for these things to grow. I'm gonna use 3 also. And this I'm gonna do with LECA. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna continue with some of this. See here, I don't even know which plants are different, to be honest. So I found this, McDonald's, and this doesn't quite fit exactly there, but estos vasos, esto no entra justo ahí, pero con la tapa, if you put a hole in the lid, there you go. So that's what I'm gonna do. There. Perfect. So in this case, I screw it up, I put the hole too big, and this easily would fall. So you just fix it with a little bit of duct tape. See, like this. Then you cut the excess. Y cortas el remanente. And this is how you make these ones. Sorry for this. Fit. See, doesn't have to look pretty. Just poke some holes and. Sony. I have a lot actually. I don't know what to do with it. So I'll go here. On LECA. Bueno, si te metiste ahí, salís solito, pues. Sales solito. No sé para qué te metiste ahí. Como los mensos. Como los mensos. Como los mensos. Yeah. Como los mensos. So this one, since we don't see the level, sometimes you just have to get used to their weight. I mean, in this case, you're gonna top it up, and then for next time, I'm gonna work on this now. This is a mix of a bunch of stuff. I don't really know. We have this one here. We have this one. So this one's different. Okay. These 2 are the same. Have these 3 the same. Anyway, we're gonna put these 2 together. Yeah, this is the smallest lava rock I have. It's I think less than 1 centimeter. Menos de 1 centímetro. Little bit to get the rocks wet, and then okay, there we go. I like this already. Pretty nice.